Assalamualaikum. We are students from CS2486B3 and today we will be presenting regarding Green Theorem. Our group consists of 5 students which are Nur Sohaila, me, Sarah Akila, Nur Ain Amira, Alia Ainur Iklima and also Muhammad Amir Shauki. So, we'll proceed with the question, manual calculation and also maple command.
For question number 1, given fxy equal to y power of 4 at sy power of 3. Use Green theorem to evaluate where C is given below traverse counterclockwise in the following figure. For manual calculation, firstly we must find value of m and value of n. And then we differentiate m respect to y and n respect to x. Then we use Green theorem formula ns minus my dA. Then we integrate respect to dy and dx. Value of y equal to 0 to set x and value of x equal to 0 to 6. And last answer will be 72.
Next, for maple command question 1. First, we state the with student and the output will disappear as in the slide. And then after that, we insert the equation f equal to map unapply y to the power of 4 8xy cubed and in terms of x and y. Then after that, we insert the R1, R2 and R3. The next step is we plot the graph, which is we use R1 and R2. Then the command is plot option R1 t equal to 0 to 6, option R2 t equal to 0 to 2.46, and the color we choose is purple, green and brown, and the axis is free. After that, we state the m and n, which is m equal to y to the power of 4, and then n equal to 8xy cubed. Then after that, we differentiate n in terms of x, and then minus differentiate m in terms of y, and then we get 4y cubed. Then we integrate the 4y cubed in terms of dy dx. The first integral starts from 0 to square root of x, and then second integral 0 to 6, and we get the answer is 72.
For question 2 is use Green's theorem to find the work done by the first equation given, and C is formed by the parabola y is equal to x squared and the line y is equal to x. For the manual calculation, we need to separate m and n. Differentiate the m towards d over dy and n is differentiate d towards d over dx. After that, we add the dm, dx and dn dy. We insert the answer to the Green's theorem formula. For the first limit is from x squared to x and the second limit is 0 to 1. After the calculation, we get the final answer which is 1 over 3.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Naswaila and now I will proceed to explain the maple command for question 2. First of all, we will start with the command restart and then we will proceed with the command with liner G, and then the following output will be shown. For step number 2, the following command will be used, that is with students and then with plots, and that is to plot the graph of this following equation. For step number 4, we will be defining the equation given, that is f equal to map unapply 3x squared minus 2xy, to x squared minus y squared, x, y. R1 equal to t, t squared, and then R2 equal to t, t. For step 5, we will be plotting the graph. And the command that we will be used, that is plot OP R1 t equal to negative 1.5 until 1.5, and that is the range for x and y. OP R2 t equal to minus 1 until 2, and the color that we will be used for the graph is green and blue, and the axis equal to normal. For step 6, we will be proceeding to integrate the following equation, and first of all we will be defining the m and y. M equal to 3x squared minus 2xy, and we will be defining n equal to x squared minus y squared. For step 7, we will differentiate the equation. We will be using the command diff nx minus diff my equal to diff nx minus diff my. And then for the step 8, we will proceed to integrate the equation. The command is int diff nx minus diff my, y equal to x squared until x equal to 0 until 1, equal to int diff nx minus diff my, y equal to x squared, x equal to 0 until 1. Then we will get the answer, that is 1/6 equal to 1/6.